All right, we're going to talk about practicing our short game now. Obviously, short game is extremely important. I'm sure you've heard that hundreds of times, but now we need to create a practice routine that'll work for us every time, so that we can, set a goal and try to achieve that goal every time we come out here to practice. Okay, so something that I like to do, just so you can have an attainable goal, and then go ahead and try to do that. Just like if you were to go out on the course, you might think of a number, you might think of par. What I like to do is I like to take 4 or 5 balls. So I'll take 5 balls and I'll throw them, in random places. Make sure I give myself some realistic lies, and I'll just throw, maybe put a few in the fringe, and then maybe make some a little bit more difficult. And I'll pick a hole. So maybe we're gonna pick that hole over there, okay? And then I'll go ahead and hit each of these 5 shots, okay? And then what I do is I try to see how many I can get up and down, okay? Usually what I'll do is say I'm gonna do it out of 30 shots. So I'll take 30 chips, do 5 at a time, and then my goal, maybe 15 up and downs. As you progress, as you keep doing this drill, maybe shoot for 20. That's going to be a really good drill to kind of keep you focused throughout your practice session.
Definitely.
Yep, and then just keep doing that, and raise the bar, keep raising the bar. It's an extremely useful drill, and once again, to set a realistic goal and try to attain that goal. Okay.
Awesome.